Okay, welcome back everyone. So now that you've learned about your tools and learned about the paints, we're going to do get a small project started. And I just got these 6-inch plywood circles from Hobby Lobby, $5.49 for, what is it, 6 of them. And these are just good beginner pieces to start on. So I'm just going to open up, and these have they have all kinds of sizes, but for your first project, I just thought we would do something like this. So they're pretty smooth, but I always kind of like to sand it a little bit. And this is just 220 grit sandpaper. And make sure you do the edges as well. Okay. So, I mean, these aren't the best things, to paint on. But really, when you're just starting out, you don't want to spend a lot of money on good birch pieces of wood. Okay, so we sanded that a little bit. I don't know why that's not. There we go. Sanded that a little bit. Wiped it off. Made sure it was clean. I'm going to put some gloves on because I always get paint all over me. Okay, and for my base coat, I like to use, a little fuzzy on there. I like to use the apple barrel, the acrylic paint, just matte black. I like that you can, I find that you can take the guidelines off much easier. So I just have this 1-inch paintbrush from the Dollar Tree, and we're just going to go ahead and do it. I'm going to paint the edges as well. Now we are going to sand this down and paint it a second time, but this is just the first step in your process. Okay, so I'm making sure I get the edges. Now, some people paint the backs of their mandalas. Some people don't. Some people leave them, the regular, how they bought them. It's totally up to you. I like to do the edges first. And then what I like about this paint is it really covers. Like, it'll cover in one coat. But I do like to sand in between and at least do 2 coats, even though this will cover. So you're just going to do long, even strokes. Getting the paint on is fine. There's nothing special about it. Once you have the coverage that you want, make sure, everything's covered. Then I just take it and start at one end and the other end. Okay, so you have a nice even coat. And then we'll let that dry, and we will come back and sand and do a second coat. So I will see you in a little bit.